In this video, I explain Samsung Smart TV won't turn on. Today, we are gonna show you how to fix your Samsung TV if it's not turning on. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient. Here, wait for the 60 seconds. Then, plug it in back. This will reset your TV. If that not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Remove both batteries from the remote control. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 15 seconds. Then put the batteries back in the remote. Then try to turn on the TV. If that not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is the last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. You want to press the home button on your remote, go to settings, then go to support, then click self diagnostics and then reset. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.